are pleased to introduce electric auxiliary coolant pumps as an extension of our engine coolant component product offering. As advanced technologies in hybrid and forced induction vehicles continue to grow, we lead the market in coverage with over 46 SKUs covering over 10 million vehicles in operation. Our auxiliary coolant pumps offer the same great quality you've come to expect from the temperature control division of SMP, including durable fiberglass for reinforced housing, sealless technology to prevent leaks, stainless steel in all water contact components, corrosion-resistant coating, tapered motor brushes for quick motor break-in. All of our product validation is done to ensure accuracy of fit, form, and function. As a non-serviceable part, shops may see an increase in replacement jobs. Simple to diagnose, easy to replace. So stock up now. Through product validation, award-winning training, expert catalog, and bilingual technical assistance, we can support our customers with a complete HVAC program to ensure the success of their business.